The Riddler?
Of course! The Riddler! Aha! Batman has his own tricks! Batarang, bam! What's that? Oh, man! The Riddler has a backup remote! Oh, no, it's a laser! This doesn't look good. Yay, Superman! He can help Batman! Hurry, Superman!
Batman!
Oh, no! The laser is cutting through the chain! He's falling! Yes! Great catch! Nice try, Riddler! His laser cut right through the ladder! Gotcha!
Oh!
Oh, ha.
Hey!
Yeah! Go Batman! Let's see the Riddler try to get out of this. Gotham City is safe once again. Ooh, what's that thing? It looks like a Jack-in-the-Box. The Joker! Oh, he's up to something. Uh-oh, that looks like trouble. Big trouble. Is that the Batmobile? Yes! Batman to the rescue! No, what's the Joker doing? Ah, not the Batmobile! You got this, Batman!
Kapow!
Boom! Busted! Wah, wah.
Batman!
Oh man, the Joker stole the Batmobile!
Green Lantern?
Wow, great timing, Green Lantern! Vroom! The Joker is having too much fun driving the Batmobile. What do those buttons do? Oh, cool! Check out the big screen! Ha! Batman and Green Lantern are right behind you!
Batman!
Don't let him get away! Whoosh! Ooh, are they gonna battle? What's happening? Whoa, the Batmobile transformed! That was so cool! Uh-oh, this doesn't look good. Come on, Batman, the Joker can't win! You gotta do something, it's your car!
Huh?
Batman still had his keys! Bye-bye, Joker! Ejected! Ooh, it transformed again! Yeah, that's cool! Yeah! Got your car back! A whoopee cushion. Oh man, imagine if he sat on it. Thanks for the help, Green Lantern! It's still funny. Did Robin just find a spooky movie? Yum! Popcorn! Wait, What's he looking at?
Huh.
Yeah, what's that?
Whoa! Whoa!
What's that sound?
Huh?
Oh, looks like Batman just forgot to lock the Batcave doors.
Oh.
Yikes! There's that ghost sound again. Hold on, what's that over there?
What? Huh.
Oh, right! Looks like Robin's about to go check things out. Cool moves. Go get it, Robin. He's got it now. Wait, where'd it go?
Yeah.
Ghost sounds a little funny. Don't know it's back.
Yeah.
No, that's not a ghost at all. It was Ace the Bat Hound the whole time.
Ace? Ace?
That wasn't so spooky after all.
Whoa!
Yum! Ooh, nice! Some popcorn for Ace.
Whoa!
Scary movies are always better with a hero's best friend.
Whoa!
Oh no! The Joker's on the loose. But Batman's right behind him. And Green Lantern. Awesome! Excuse me, right behind you.
Nah.
What's so funny? Oh no, that can't be good. Yuck! It's a purple wave. He's getting away, Batman.
Zip.
That's one big wave. Maybe Green Lantern will make a surfboard. Oh, it's a wall. Splat. Oh no, it's everywhere. Where's that sneaky Joker hiding? Use those detective skills.
Huh?
There he is. Look.
Yeah.
Trapped in his own goo. What a mess. How will Green Lantern ever clean this? A bulldozer? Good idea, but he needs something way bigger.
Oh.
A super giant vacuum! Sweet! It's sucking up all the icky stuff. And even the Joker. There he goes! It's like a roller coaster in there. Whoa! He must be dizzy. Gotcha, Joker. Gross. See ya.
Hey.
Hey.
You, Green Lantern, come on.
What?
Batman.
Oh, what are they up to? Are they gonna race? Oh yeah, they're revving their engines. And they're off. They're driving so fast. Whoa, they almost crashed. The Batcave. Oh, Batman does not look happy about those racers. To the Batmobile. Yeah, go Batman. Is that the Flash running around so fast? It is. Look at that guy dancing. Oh no, the racers are coming up too fast. Watch out, dancing guy. The Flash can help him. Yeah, nice save. Dancing guy still didn't notice. Oh, Batman is here.
Hey, Flash, go.
Go, 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 Flash. Oh no, the street is blocked. Watch out! The Flash will sing him something. Yeah, great idea. Oh, they're in trouble now. Batman will stop them. Whoa, the Batmobile transformed. Did you see that? Get him, Batman. Bam, bam, bam. Can't drive without wheels, can you? Busted.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Batman and Superman are in the Batcave, keeping an eye out for trouble. Uh-oh! Looks like someone is up to no good.
Batman. Lex Luthor.
It's Lex Luthor! What's he doing? A robot! Is that kryptonite?
Kryptonite.
Uh-oh! Lex Luthor has unleashed an army of robots powered by kryptonite! Let's go! The superheroes jump into action! Batman soars through the skies with the Batwing. Superman flies along next to him. The robots are invading the city!
Kryptonite.
Uh-oh, Superman is losing his powers. He doesn't look too
Superman.
good. Help him, Batman!
Hey.
Those the keys to the Batwing? Yeah, they must be.
Ha.
Go beat those bots, Batman! Great idea! Superman is safe in the kryptonite inside the Batwing. Oof, those robots are coming in fast. Come on, Superman, you got this! Just press everything! Superman sends the robots flying!
Hey.
Now it's your turn, Lex Luthor. Wham! Awesome! Batwing against Lex in his power suit. Come on, come on, come on, Superman! Ooh, red button! Push it! Smash!
No!
The kryptonite shatters! Boom! Oh, the robots are defeated. Nice try, Lex. You're busted. Looks like Superman isn't ready to give up the Batwing just yet. Well, let him take it for a spin, Batman. Yeah! Superman? I don't think Batman is getting that Batwing back.
Uh-oh, that doesn't sound like Batman. The Joker broke into the Batcave.
Oh.
Huh? Teeth with feet? Those teeth are chattering a lot. Maybe they're cold. The Joker's trying to steal them. What's he up to? A flash drive?
Wow.
He's taking over the Bat computer. Oh no! Those teeth could run away. It's Robin! But he's so sleepy. Wake up, Robin! The Joker's stealing everything! Watch out!
Robin.
Oh no! Attack of the Jack-in-the-Boxes! Just in time! Batman's here to help.
Joker.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a lot of punches.
Huh?
Too many punches. Yay! Whoops! Clumsy Joker tripped on his own teeth. Ouch! Those teeth must be hard to brush. Nice try, Joker. There's Batman in the Batcave. What's he doing? He's shivering. Why is he so cold? Uh-oh. Looks like trouble. Not cool. Ugh, should've known.
Mr. Freeze.
Superman! Green Lantern!
Mr. Freeze.
Go get him, Superman!
Oh.
Whoa! Robot guys in snow everywhere! Yeah! One robot down, lots more to go. What's the plan, Superman? Awesome! Way to use that heat vision.
Huh?
Oh boy, how's Superman going to melt all that?
Woohoo!
Green Lantern! Just in time! Phew!
Yeah.
Superman could use some backup. Looks like he's got an idea. A
Bam.
magnifying glass? Huh?
Oh.
Batman! All right! Now we're talking. Let's catch some robots.
Whoa. Yeah. Whoosh. Whoop.
Oh, now I get it. Yes! It's working!
Yeah.
Great teamwork, guys.
No.
You can do this, Batman. Go get him!
Batman.
Woohoo! Sorry, Mr. Freeze. Good guys win again.
Oh, yeah.
Who's chilling now?
Gotcha.
The Batcave. Oh, what's going on? Trouble at the monkey house? Uh-oh. What's the cheetah doing? Oh no! She's setting the monkeys loose! Hit the alarm! Batman's calling for backup.
The cheetah.
Yeah! Wonder Woman's flying her invisible jet! Catch that cheetah, Batman! Whoa! Wonder Woman caught the monkey with her lasso. Oh man, those monkeys are going wild.
Yeah. Huh? Oh.
Ouch! Right in the head. Come on, Wonder Woman. You got this.
Hey. Hey.
Whoa! She's so strong. Yeah, catch 'em all, Flash. Woo! Nice teamwork. Whoops! The monkeys can get out. Use your ring, Green Lantern. Great idea. They're following the bananas. Nice try, Cheetah.
Gotcha.
Great job, Super Friends.
This doesn't look good. What happened to Batman and the Flash? Where are they? How'd they get in there? Oh no. Look who it is! The Riddler! Dun dun dun! How will they get out? A key? What's happening? Looks like one of the Riddler's puzzles.
Oh.
Batman has it figured out.
Yeah. Oh.
Nice work, Batman! You got a key, or maybe not. Whoa! Now what?
Oh, hey. Oh.
Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. Oh, it's a maze! Steady, almost there. Way to go, Batman! Another key! Oh no, not another riddle! The Riddler is not playing fair. Hurry, Batman! Time's running out. Go faster!
Hey, Batman.
Flash.
Ah.
Whoa! Super speed button press action to the rescue! It worked! They're out! Wonder who's hanging out back there. Batman and the Flash have done it again. Way to go, superheroes!
Riddler, Batman, to the Batmobile.
Wait. Robin. Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, yeah. Robin's alone in the Batcave. Dance party. What's next?
Whoa!
Ooh, batarangs are fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bullseye!
Huh? Whoa! Yeah.
Whoa, Robin's throwing them so fast. Uh-oh, that's not good. Robin, look behind you! Oh no, everything is falling down! Not the dino! Robin, look!
Huh? Huh?
What a mess!
Oh no! Ah. Uh-oh.
And Batman's coming back soon!
Huh.
Robin!
Hey, Flash!
The Flash is here!
Hi!
Yay!
Flash!
Hurry, Flash! Batman's almost here! He's so fast! Why can't Batman get in? Oh, Robin's stopping him. Phew, the Flash got it all fixed. See, Batman? All clean.
Hey!
Robin! Hey, Mr. Freeze.
Huh?
The Joker.
Oh. Yeah!
Hey,
Hey! Batman!
Robin.
Huh?
Hey.
Oh! Oh yeah! Huh? Hey! Oh! Hey! Oh, Batman! Yeah!
Hey, yeah.
Mr. Freeze.
The Joker.
Oh.
Hey.
Hey!
Huh? Mr. Freeze. Huh? The Joker.
Yeah!
Haha. Yeah. Oh yeah.